So air freight has their own Incoterms, but sea freight uses some very specific Incoterms.
Genio uses X-Works, FOB, CIF, and DAP.
So Incoterms are designed to specifically state where the risk and where the responsibility transfers between the shipper and the consignee.
Correct.
Run me through the X-Works ship.
Absolutely. So with the X-Works, it is literally the easiest for us as shippers because we make the goods available at the factory, and anything thereafter would be the client's responsibility. So that includes the freight, the insurance, up till their destination country.
They're responsible.
Correct.
Like
Yeah.
FOB, free on board.
Free on board.
Right. Just run me through FOB, please.
So the FOB Incoterm is free on board. So by free on board on the export front of things, or from the export's perspective, it then means the shipper is responsible for the manufacturing of the cargo, for the packaging of the cargo, clearance and delivery of the cargo to the port of loading or through the terminal at the port of loading.
As soon as it hits the ship, the responsibility transfers to the
consignee. That's correct.
Right. Ronaldo, what does CIF stand for?
It's cost, insurance, and freight.
So when we get shipments under CIF, we know for a fact that there is insurance that needs to be considered, which is the most important thing when it comes to shipping of goods.
Correct.
Your goods have to be comprehensively insured. The shipper again would manufacture, would package the cargo, would ship the cargo to the final port of discharge.
Not loading.
Not loading, but discharge. Anything that has that to do with from the picking up of the container from the vessel to the terminal itself, then the risk gets transferred to the consignee.
Right. The last Incoterm that we have is DAP.
DAP means delivered at place. So this means that Genio takes up a lot of responsibility. We make the goods available, we transport them till wherever place that the client has mentioned.
Which can be their coffee roastery, their
Correct.
office, their warehouse, whatever it may be.
Absolutely. So the only thing that the client would be responsible for would be custom clearance, the import duties and taxes that they would have to
And
account for.
physically offloading the machine
Absolutely.
from their truck,
Yes.
from the truck.
Correct.